Well, my fingers are pretty powerful and I can use them to zoom in and zoom out on my phone. I thought, why couldn't I do the same with my PC? That's exactly what I built. So let me give you a demo and then we'll talk about few other things. So this is it. I just ran a simple script that tracks my fingers and then does zoom in and zoom out. It's a very popular, famous functionality that pretty much all the apps like Zoom, Google Meet, they all has to offer. Now I would be creating bunch of other videos like this and make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on those. Basically, I'm trying to create a list of cool projects that you can put it on your resume and then showcase your skills on LinkedIn as well. The aim is many newcomers, they find lot of issues trying to say cool things about what they did as part of their projects. So I'm just trying to start up the conversation. I would be giving you like a basic baseline platform with which possibilities are endless. You can basically incorporate movies, voices, finger recognition, maybe tracking how many cars in a highway. You can do all sorts of things and we would be building all of them. So make sure that you become a member if you want to support the channel, or at least you are subscribed to the channel because that is free. It's not going to cost you a penny, but this is going to be really helpful for your resume and for your career. So let's do multiple things like this together.